Hi, this is Richard C. I'm answering a question submitted by a student, and it looks like he or she is taking pre-calc. Um, I'm going to assume that the problem is the sine of x plus 3 pi over 4. And we're going to figure that out in a second, but we need a formula that you're supposed to have learned in pre-calculus. Having to do, these are called sum and difference formulas. And the formula we're going to use is for the sine. So the sine of a plus b is equal to the sine of a cosine b plus the cosine of a sine b. Okay, and that's the most frequently used of the sum and difference formulas. The sine one, sine a cosine b, cosine a sine b. Okay, so now all we really have to do is plug this in. So let me go back here and we'll plug it in. So this is going to be sine x cosine 3 pi over 4 plus cosine, cosine 3 pi over 4 jeepers. Cosine a, sine a cosine b, and cosine a, which is x. Very sorry about this. Cosine x sine 3 pi over 4. There we go. Let's think about 3 pi over 4 on the unit circle. This is 4 pi over 4. So the angle that we're interested in is here. And this is a 45-degree reference angle. So square root of 2 over 2. Square root of 2 over 2 are the cosine and sine here. So we'll just plug these in. So cosine is going to be negative root 2 over 2. So we're going to get negative root 2 over 2 sine x plus sine is going to be root 2 over 2 cosine x. And so now we've achieved what they were asking us to achieve, which is to express this thing here, this sum, as the sum of sine and cosine. And we accomplished that. So it's just calling for this these sum and difference. There are 4 formulas altogether, but I just used one of the 4 formulas for sine and cosine sum and difference formulas, and that's it. That's all there is to it. So that's fairly straightforward if you recognize what's needed. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.